Welcome friends to our video in which we shall talk about Sandhi Mudra. This mudra is very potent and effective for all types of joint pains and arthritis. But friends, before we proceed ahead, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. Sandhi Mudra. This mudra is a hybrid mudra of two Tattva mudras, namely Akash Mudra and Prithvi Mudra. These two mudras, Akash and Prithvi, we have described in detail in our separate videos, and you can watch these videos by going to our channel or by using these links. Now coming back to Sandhi Mudra, and let's see how to do this mudra. Note that Sandhi Mudra is formed differently in both the hands. That is, one hand will have a different pose compared to the other hand. To start with, in one hand, which could be right or your left hand, make a Prithvi Mudra. That is, join the tips of the ring finger and the thumb and keep all the other fingers straight and upright as is shown here in this picture. In your other hand, make Akash Mudra. That is, join tips of the middle finger and the thumb as is shown here in this picture. Do this Sandhi Mudra for 3 times a day for 15 minutes each. Do this Sandhi Mudra along with Tal Asana daily to keep the joint pains away forever. Sandhi Mudra benefits. Sandhi Mudra relieves pain in all joints. For example, it can benefit in pains in knees, ankles, elbows, fingers, wrist, shoulders or any other part of the body. Sandhi Mudra relieves tiredness in elbows after long hours of desk work. This mudra benefits in arthritis, spondylitis and gout problems. Sandhi Mudra is a hybrid mudra and it gives benefits of both its main mudras, that is Akash and Prithvi mudras. The Akash Mudra removes calcium deficiency. Akash Mudra increases space, that is Akash, within joints and thus gives them greater flexibility. Prithvi Mudra rids the body of all vitamin deficiencies and also the mineral deficiencies. Prithvi Mudra strengthens muscles and the bone. Therefore, by doing Sandhi Mudra, one gets benefits of Akash and Prithvi Mudras also. Now let's have some general information on the mudras. But I would suggest please watch our other videos, especially the first one in this playlist, to get the accurate and more detailed information on hand mudra yoga. Here is a summary of 13 core mudras, out of which 8 are Tattva mudras and 5 are Pranic mudras. Many more mudras can be created by joining different fingers and thumb in different manners. Here is the summary of Pranic mudras. If you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the middle and the index fingers, you get Vyan Mudra. Similarly, if you join tip of the thumb with tips of the ring finger and the middle fingers, you get Apan Mudra. Using the same fingers, but instead of tips, just fold the ring finger and the middle finger and press against the palm, you get another mudra called as Meow Mudra. Next is that if you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the little finger and the ring fingers, that is this little finger and the ring finger, you get a mudra called as Pran Mudra. If you join tips of all the 5 fingers, you get Saman Mudra, which is also called as Mukul Mudra. If you join tips of index finger, middle finger and ring finger along with the thumb tip, then you get a mudra called as Udan Mudra. Here is the summary of 8 Tattva mudras. Please watch our first video in this series where you can get more details of all these Tattva and Pranic mudras. But in summary, if thumb is pressed onto the tip of the index finger, we get Gyan Mudra. When we fold the index finger and we press it lightly by the thumb, we get Vayu Mudra. Similarly, if we press the tip of middle finger by the thumb, we get Akash Mudra. And if we fold the middle finger and then press lightly with the thumb, we get Shunya Mudra. Similarly, with the ring finger, with the tip we get Prithvi Mudra, and with the ring finger folded we get Surya Mudra. Little finger gives us Indra Mudra, and then when the little finger is folded, it gives us the Varun Mudra. Doing mudras. Mudras can be done anytime in any pose. For example, while sitting, standing, watching TV or even while walking. Mudras can be done by one hand or they can be done by both the hands. For example, you can do Vayu Mudra by your right hand and not do anything at the same time with the left hand. But generally it is better if you do the same mudra with both the hands simultaneously. Mudras should be done daily for 45 minutes. However, if needed, mudra can be done for 15 minutes 3 times a day as well. A mudra done along with deep breathing shows quicker results. Do not do any mudra for at least 30 minutes after the meals, except the Surya Mudra, which is used for improving the digestion. Two different mudras can be done simultaneously, one by the right hand and the other by the left hand. However, do not do opposite mudras, for example Prithvi Mudra and the Surya Mudra, because Prithvi Mudra is used for increasing the body weight and the Surya Mudra is its opposite and it is used for decreasing the body weight. Mudras can be done along with other therapies as well.